Hello, my name is Cesar. I am 36 years old. I was born in Mexico, but I grew up in San Francisco, California. I have a background in healthcare, working on the floor as well as in the administration department. And that gives me the chance to work with people. I enjoy helping others. And that is why teaching is my passion. I have a TKT, a NIELS, and a TESOL certificate. And I have been working for more than 10 years, helping people of all ages, from little babies to adults, and from all walks of lives. I like to work with the TVT method. TVT stands for task-based teaching. This method focuses on the authentic language that we use in everyday life activities like going to the bank, going to the store, calling customer service, even a job interview. I want to practice with you real life situations. I don't want you to listen and repeat. I'd rather you listen and speak. I want to help you no matter what your level is. If you're a beginner level or advanced, we can use the language that you already know and improve that. I can help you to improve your speaking, your vocabulary, your grammar, and your pronunciation. Don't get stuck in second gear. Give me the chance to help you to achieve your goals. I'll see you soon.